How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your grade 4 English teacher children. Right, today's date 24-2-2021. We are doing block 23 beta, writing a biography. In that our topic today is S3, using interesting introduction. Okay, what is our topic today? Using interesting introduction. Okay, these are used to write a biography beta. Remaining part of a biography. Now see, there are 4 points in this. Now see, quotes means what? Makes us curious to know who said it. Curious means you want to know who said these points, no? That. Next, questioning. You'll ask questions. Summary of key traits. You know what is the meaning of traits. Next, childhood date and events. These are 4 points which we are focusing on this S3 beta today. Okay, now take out your work. Now children, take out your S3 beta and write today's date 24-2-2021 using interesting introduction. Now, see first bit, write down what makes each introduction interesting. Okay, now see, introduction. Do you know who the first woman Prime Minister of India was? Second one, Sachin Tendulkar was born on April 24th, 1973 in Mumbai, India. As a child, he played cricket at the Shivaji Park in Mumbai. Third one, give me blood and I shall give you freedom. These are the most famous words said by freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, Amelia Earhart started to love flying at a very young age. She was very determined and would not let anyone stop her from reaching her goal. She went on to become the first woman to fly alone across the Atlantic Ocean. She was a pilot, children. Now what you'll write, see here, next column. What make it interesting? First one is what, children? You are asking question. So you should write here questioning. Question. Next, about Sachin Tendulkar, what you are asking? You are asking about it childhood. Okay, I'll write, you write along with me. See beta here. You should write like this. Question. Second one, childhood dates and events. Third is quotes. Fourth is summary and key traits of the person. Okay, now second bit. Write an introduction paragraph for your biography task using first method from the above box. You have written this biography on 22nd. By seeing this, you write this. What you'll write, you should write. If you're writing about your auntie, you write here like this. My auntie Sheila was born at so and so in Delhi, Mumbai or Hyderabad. As a child, she was very naughty. You should write in this paragraph. Next paragraph, what you should write for next question? Now pick a different method and write your introduction paragraph. Same you should write, but you should write the traits here. How? My auntie Sheila is very helpful person. She loves singing and dancing. Now she became a great scientist, like this. Here you should use traits, children. Here you should see this biography and write here. Okay, here you should use all the traits. Helpful, love, kind, determined. These all words you should use here for writing this biography here. Okay, hope you all understood. Complete this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.